Hello everyone, my name is Emily Vallely and today I'm going to be sharing my vintage jewelry collection with you guys. I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time and I didn't realize till today how much jewelry I have, so get ready, this is gonna be a fun video. Before I jump into showing you my collection, I wanted to share that this video is in collaboration with the jewelry company Ana Luisa, and I pretty much only have vintage jewelry. I hardly have any new pieces, but Ana Luisa is by far my favorite jewelry brand for so many reasons. One of the coolest things about Ana Luisa is that their company is extremely ethical and sustainable, and as you guys probably know, that is one of the reasons why I love buying vintage and secondhand. It's something that's super important to me. Also, I love how affordable they are. Their prices start at around $49 and they can go to a bit pricier in the $100, $200 range, but for the most part, their stuff is so affordable and such excellent quality. I was honestly amazed when I received it. So I decided to go with all gold jewelry from them. Most of the jewelry I wear on a daily basis, my vintage rings and necklace, are gold, so I figured I would get pieces that would go really well for every day. I wanted to get timeless pieces and pieces that I would wear a lot. I knew I wanted to get a necklace, so I decided to go with this beautiful pearl necklace, and I wanted one that I could stack with this locket that Brandon got me on my first birthday that we spent together. So it was for my 22nd birthday. He got me this gold vintage, I think it's 1940s locket, and I wanted a necklace to stack right on top of that, and I think they look so pretty together. I absolutely love pearls, and since this is an ethical and sustainable company, I thought I might as well finally get a pearl necklace. I absolutely love gold hoops, and I have a few pairs of larger hoops, but I had no smaller ones. So I decided to go with these really, really beautiful hoops that kind of have a twirly design. And then for my second ear piercing, I wanted one that was a smaller hoop. So I got this one, and it actually looks like two earrings, but it's only one. And I love the way it looks with my cartilage piercings. I just think it looks so cute. And I also got a bracelet. I don't have too many bracelets actually, as you will see in my jewelry collection, but I wanted to get a simple bracelet because a lot of the bracelets I have are very chunky and big. So I got this really delicate, pretty little gold string bracelet, and it has this blue piece of string running through, and I love the way blue and gold look together. So I really love this. And a cool thing about this bracelet is that you can actually wear it as a choker because it is wrapped twice, and I tried it on as a choker and it worked like that as well. So that's everything I picked up from Ana Luisa, but I also wanted to share some of my everyday rings that I wear. This one is a citrine, and Brandon got this for me for Christmas around 4 years ago maybe. This one is a mid-century brutalist diamond ring, and my mom got this for me around a year ago. This one is a diamond-shaped diamond ring with 3 diamonds in it, and Brandon got this for our 1-year anniversary. And then this gold band with 3 diamonds was a gift from my friend Emily, who is the owner of Magnolia and Willow. And yeah, I love the way these 4 rings look together. As I said earlier, love gold, love diamonds, so it just goes really good. All right, before I go into my vintage jewelry collection, I wanted to share that Ana Luisa is offering you guys 10% off your purchase if you use the code EmilyV10. I will be putting a link down below, so go check that out. And thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for these amazing pieces. Alright, that is it for my jewelry collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. And I also wanted to say thank you again to Ana Luisa for the amazing jewelry. Definitely go check them out. They have some amazing pieces that go so well with your vintage jewelry. I also just wanted to add that I hope you guys are doing well during this difficult time and staying as busy and hopeful as you possibly can. I know that the pandemic is affecting people very negatively, and I just really hope the best for all of you. And I promise I will not go this long without making a video again. I know some of you were really upset that I kind of disappeared for a while. So I will be having another video very soon. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching. I will see you soon. One more thing before I go. I wanted to share that the ending credits of this video are new, and all the graphics and illustrations were designed by Holly Holland, and I will link her down below. But she did an amazing job at making a new logo for me and making a lot of illustrations that I'm going to be using in future projects. Some of the things that I had planned got pushed because of coronavirus, but throughout the summer and early fall, I will be releasing a lot of new cool things using those graphics. And I will also have a new website coming very soon. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. Please let me know how you like the illustrations and the new ending credits. And go give Holly a follow on Instagram. She's an amazing artist.